Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to map a network drive on the Windows 11. So the first thing that you would like to do, of course, is just go and open your PC. This contains the Windows 11. Of course, if you're a Windows 10 user, you can just go into your settings and upgrade into Windows 11 right now and for free. Of course, the upgrade from Windows 10 into 11 will not delete any personal files or any apps or any documents from your PC. Don't worry about this side. It will just change the Windows 10 into 11. Of course, you can run the installation or the download of Windows 11 into the background of your PC if you want to keep using it in the meanwhile. And of course, once the download or installation is done, you'll be notified to restart or reboot your PC. And when you do that, you'll find yourself with a Windows 11 ready to use. Of course, your PC might be a bit slower in the meanwhile, but it's not going to be a big problem, especially if you have a good PC. You will not even notice the difference while it's downloading in your background. And of course, you will even have a recovery point if you want to go back into your Windows 10, maybe if you're facing some issues, which is not most likely to happen, or if you just like the Windows 10. But I bet when you get used to Windows 11, you will even like it as much or even more. So as I said in the beginning of the video, is we would like to map a network drive on Windows 11. So the first thing that we would like to do is just go and open our file explorer, go and open it with your regular way, or you can just press the Windows E on your keyboard, and that should open it. Of course, that appears in my second monitor. Now it should appear here. So as you can see, that will open the file explorer directly. And here you would like to select this PC. Of course, here you will receive or see all your hard drives and USB drives that is inserted in your PC. So, of course, here you would like to, once you select this PC and you see your drives here, you would like to click at the See More, and here you will have the map network drive. Of course, if you didn't find it here, you can just go and right click into this PC and you will find it here. So, of course, just do it however you want. Once you're here, of course, you'll have to select your drive, or in the drive list you would like to select a drive letter. Any letter will do, of course. Select whatever you want, and of course in the folder box you can type the path of the folder or computer, or select browse to find the folder or computer to connect every time you sign into your PC, and select, of course, the reconnect at sign in, and make sure when you finish click at finish and you will be good to go. Of course, it's not available for me because I didn't select folder, because I'm not going to do that. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.